Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to automatically create Pabbly email marketing subscriber on Elementor form submission. So I run a real estate business and I have attached a lead form on my website using Elementor. So now here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission through Elementor, then I want to use that detail and create a new subscriber in my Pabbly email marketing tool. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect my Elementor form with my Pabbly email marketing tool using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I run a real estate business and I use Elementor forms on my website to capture the leads from people interested in buying or renting properties. So instead of manually adding these contacts to my email list, I want to automate the process. So by automatically creating a Pabbly email marketing subscriber, every time when someone submits an Elementor form, I can save time and ensure I don't miss any potential leads. When someone fills out a form to inquire about a property, their email is instantly added to my Pabbly email list. This allows me to send them property updates, market insights, and special offers automatically, keeping them engaged and increasing my chances of closing a deal. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect my Elementor form with my Pabbly email marketing tool using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in here, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as create Pabbly email marketing subscriber on Elementor form submission. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow and here on my screen, you can see the two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So in my trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as Elementor form. So Elementor form is a feature of the Elementor website builder that lets you create custom forms for your website easily. People use it because it provides a simple drag and drop interface to design forms, whether you need contact forms, signups, or surveys. It's a user-friendly and integrates well with other tools, making it a popular choice for building forms that look great and work smoothly on any site. So here in my Elementor trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new form submission. So that whenever we are going to receive new form submission through our Elementor form, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can see automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here after selecting my trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Elementor account with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy this webhook URL And here I've already logged in my Elementor account. So here let me tell you that Elementor is a plugin of WordPress, and here I've already logged in my WordPress account. And here under all pages you can see the form that I've created using Elementor with the name Satyam Real Estate. So I'm going to click on this edit with Elementor given over here. And from here I'm going to select my form element. And here after selecting my form element, you can see we have received the option for actions after submit over here in the left sidebar. So I'm going to select it. And from here I'm going to add the action by clicking on this add action step button. And from here I'm going to search for the action which is webhook over here. So here I'm going to select it. And now here after selecting the action, here you can see we have received the option for webhook. So I'm going to click on it. And from here it is asking me to enter the webhook URL. So here I need to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So I'm going to enter the webhook URL, and now here after entering the webhook URL, I'm going to click on this update button given over here. And with this, we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Elementor form, or you can say we have successfully connected our Elementor form with Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission, we need to make a test submission for our Elementor form. So for that, let me take you back to my Elementor form, and here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy, last name as user, email as dummy@pabblytudes.com, and here for the phone number I'm going to enter the random mobile number, and here for the city I'm going to select the city as Pune and the types of apartment as 2 BHK, and here for the date I'm going to select today's date, and then I'm going to click on this submit. And here you can see it says your submission was successful. That means we have successfully made a test submission over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received the types of apartment, mobile number, last name as user, first name as dummy, email as dummy@pabblytudes.com, date and city as Pune. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So now once we have received a new form submission through our Elementor, I want to add the lead received as a new subscriber in my Pabbly email marketing tool. So for that, here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Pabbly email marketing. So Pabbly email marketing is a tool that helps businesses send bulk emails to their subscribers easily. It's known for offering affordable plans with no limits on the number of emails you can send. People use Pabbly because it's simple to create email campaigns, automate follow-ups, and track how well the emails are performing. Plus, it integrates with popular email services and comes with features like list management and personalized email options. Whether you're running a small business or a large company, Pabbly email marketing helps you stay connected with your audience effectively. So here in my Pabbly email marketing action step, I'm going to select my action event as add subscribers. So that whenever I'm going to receive new form submission through my Elementor form, then I want to add the lead received as a new subscriber in my Pabbly email marketing tool. And now here to connect my Pabbly email marketing with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Pabbly email marketing tool is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the token over here. So here to get this token, it says enter your barrier token here. To obtain the barrier token, log in into our Pabbly email marketing account, navigate to the integration sections and click on developer API and copy the barrier token. So here you can see we have received the hyperlink for the developer API over here. So I'm going to click on this hyperlink, and here you can see it has directly taken me to my developer API window of Pabbly email marketing tool. So here you can see the barrier token, so here I'm going to copy it. Moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the token. Now here after entering the token, I'm going to click on the save, and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the list name. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see the list which I have created. So here I've created a single list with the name default list. So here I'm going to select it only, and then here it is asking me to enter the email and the name. So here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever we're going to receive new form submission through our Elementor form, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to search for my leads email. So this is my leads email moving forward, and here for the name I'm going to search for my leads name. So this is my lead's name. So here I'm going to map the first name first, space, then I'm going to map the last name. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where the status is success and the messages list updated successfully, total emails in list. So with this, we have successfully set up our action step also, and we have successfully created a new subscriber in our Pabbly email marketing tool. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see under default list, I have created a new subscriber with the email as dummy@pabblytudes.com and the name as dummy user. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation with a real-time example to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, we need to make a new submission in our Elementor form. And for that, let me take you back to my form. Here I'm going to refresh it. And again here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name I'm going to enter the name as test, last name as lead, email as test@pabblytudes.com. Here for the phone number I'm going to enter random phone number. And here for the city I'm going to select the city as Hyderabad and the types of apartment as 3 BHK. And for the date I'm going to select today's date and then I'm going to click on the submit. And here you can see it says your submission was successful. So now let's go and check our Pabbly email marketing tool. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new subscriber with the email as test@pabblytudes.com and the name as test lead. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Elementor and our action as Pabbly email marketing. So that whenever a new form submission is made in our Elementor form, then automatically using the lead details received, it is going to add a new subscriber in our Pabbly email marketing tool. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. That's all for this video. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.